Tech Man here. In this video, I'm going to help you with your moves. Let's check it out. Hello and welcome to our review of the Moza Slypod E. Today we will be taking a closer look at this versatile motorized monopod and giving you my thoughts on its design, features, and performance. The Moza Slypod E is a highly versatile motorized monopod designed for content creators and videographers who need a compact and reliable tool to help them create dynamic and smooth camera movements. The Slypod E builds upon the success of the original Slypod with added features and improved functionality. First, let's talk about the design of the Slypod E. It is a beautifully crafted piece of equipment with a sleek and minimalistic design that is both attractive and functional. It is made from high-quality aluminum alloy featuring a telescopic design that allows you to adjust its length between 12 and 26 inches. It holds up to 9 pounds, making it very versatile with different cameras and lenses. It comes with the main body, a stand adapter, a tripod, a USB Type-C cable for charging, a portable bag, and a user manual. Moving on to the features of the Slypod E. One of the main features is this motorized slider. This allows you to create smooth and precise camera movement with ease and can be controlled using a wireless remote app that you can download from the App or Play Store or the built-in joystick. The Slypod E can also be used as a monopod, a slider, jib, or a motorized dolly, making it a great all-in-one tool for content creators and videographers. Now, let's talk about how to use this bad boy. First, you will need to attach your camera to the Slypod E using a compatible camera mount. Once your camera is securely attached, you can start using it to create smooth and precise camera movements. To control the slider manually, simply use the built-in joystick. You can adjust the speed and direction of the slider to create a variety of different camera movements, including panning, tilting, and sliding. The Moza Slypod E also comes with a companion app called the Moza Master app. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be used to control the Slypod E wirelessly. After you have connected it, then you want to click on the section to use the remote app. Here you have 5 different settings that you could use. You'll notice that you have many features here. First, you have your remote control. With your remote control, if you tap on it, you have 3 different settings that you can use: regular mode, shift mode, and acceleration mode. And in all of these modes, you have various settings that you can control. For example, in the regular mode, you can take a photograph, you can control the speed, you can set an infinite loop, you can set it to go downward or upward, and to control it, you can also set either the absorption or slow start. And to use it, you just simply slide up or down in a direction, or after you've set it, you push the play, and then it will start to work. Silent mode. Now, when you click on the silent mode, what that's going to do is that will give you the ability to silence the motor by slowing the speed down. Next, you have the gimbal settings. This is going to allow you to hook up a gimbal in sync with it and use it as a gimbal as well. And then next to that, you have your device info. It's just going to give you information about the device itself. And then finally, you have the linkage control. Now with the linkage control, you can set this up with a gimbal to whatever type of settings that you want to use it for while using a gimbal. Overall, we found the Moza Slypod E to be a highly versatile and reliable tool for creating smooth and dynamic camera movements. Its motorized slider and joystick controls make it easy to achieve precise camera movements, while its telescopic design and range of camera mounts make it suitable for use with a wide range of cameras and lenses. One negative would be that the placement of the manual control. I feel that it should be in the center versus being at the bottom. Overall, if you are a videographer or a content creator looking for a versatile and reliable tool that helps you create dynamic camera movements, I highly recommend the Moza Slypod E. Its sleek design, motorized slider, and joystick controls make it a great all-in-one for capturing professional quality footage. It's going for about $266 on Amazon. A link will be in the description below. Now, if you found any value in this quick review, give me a like and subscribe to get more content like this. Share and comment. I would like to know, what do you use for camera movement in your YouTube projects? Now, if you like this video, I'm sure you're going to like this one up here.